PorTec was specifically developed as an easy-to-use solution for the grouting of external porcelain tiles. It is an easy-to-use, flexible, non-slumping, colour-fast, efflorescence-free porcelain grout. PorTec is available in 4 popular colours, which include midnight grey, storm grey, dove grey and ivory, and offers exceptional coverage per unit. Prior to starting, please ensure your slabs have been fully primed. Our PorTec priming slurry has been specifically designed for this purpose. Also ensure your bedding mortar is fully cured. This will eliminate efflorescence from your bedding mortar being deposited on top of your grout. Ensure your joints are clean, free from debris and not holding any pooled water. If your joints are holding pooled water, you can blow them out with a leaf blower. On warmer days, your joints can be dampened with a sponge float. This will greatly aid with your application and cleanup. Never grout if rain or frost is forecast or temperature is 5 degrees or lower. Tools required. You will need a drill and whisk, measuring jug, a tiler's float, a sponge float, a tiler's sponge, a wash buoy, clean water and a pointing gun if desired. PPE required. You will require a dust mask, a pair of gloves and some safety glasses. Mixing. Open your PorTec bucket, remove the 2 bags and set to one side. With your measuring jug, add 1.3 litres of clean water to your bucket. Open 1 bag of PorTec and add to the water. With your drill and whisk, mix at a slow speed until you achieve a smooth, creamy, lump-free consistency. Application. With your rubber tiler's float, you can now start applying the grout directly to the joints, ensuring the grout fully penetrates right to the bottom of the joint. As much excess grout as possible should be removed as you go. This will greatly help with your cleanup process. Grout and clean in small, manageable amounts. This is especially important on warmer days. The micro formulation of PorTec also makes it extremely easy to use with a pointing gun. Cleanup. When your grout is stiffened sufficiently, you may begin your cleanup. With your wash buoy, clean water and a sponge float, you can now start to clean any excess grout off your slabs, making sure your sponge float is fully wrung out, as at this point you do not want to add any excess water to your joints. Also, it is important to clean horizontally across the joints, making sure not to pull the grout from the joints. Prior to finishing, you should now do a full inspection to ensure that all excess grout has been removed from your slabs. If you have followed this simple process, you should now be left with clean, super smooth, full joints. PorTec is available in 12.5 kilo units and is supplied in an extremely robust, fully waterproof bucket that can be stored in its original packaging outside in all weather conditions. PorTec is packaged in oxygen-proof bags, which gives it an extended shelf life of between 1.5 and 2 years.